Yeah. Because I want me crew. Because I see a Becassa. I am saying ye and before COVID, make no or damn passport me near. They call emergency room back and forth. My husband was browsing on the internet looking for help. He went through so many people, I can say. And one day our friend say, "Hey, Mamu Bio, no see me friend." And I'm catching say, "Oh yeah, then friend eh?" And our friend, na me big no or damn paso. Onto me nyeshi, onto me nanti. Oh, that for like 2 years, me no on casa, on your she, on your bibia. And no friend. Our friend so say, Papa, me ba why? And I'm beside say, me, hey, Prophet no afraid back and or see their view. We see the time only no casa, you know. Me no or to me sorry one passo. Or tenacity. Or to me tenacity, or money down. Or to me tenacity. My husband is breathing because of him. And I'm here to let you all know that you have a treasure. You do have a treasure. And if you don't cherish that treasure, I don't know what you're going to do. Okay? Anywhere you go. But prophet, oh my goodness. Because of him. For 3 years, me on Didi on Yehi. Back and forth, emergency room. We say that one day be Ozzy. Oh, I want to go to the emergency, and I'm catching a prophet. Where do you mean? I don't want to go. I know she said, Sunday, Yanida, Maninko. Because why you be beery? Why you be beery? You're quiet, is if he in the home. Now, me chrono Jina Hai. Hey, I have my husband because of prophet. Okay? And if you don't take care of my treasure, we're gonna take him away. We're gonna take him away from you.